Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a short and sweet unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro memory. This is the 2x8 kit. You can also get a 2x16 kit for a total of 32, or you can get 4x16 kit for a total of 64 if your motherboard can handle it. I got the 2666 megahertz version. There are three other versions. You got the 3000, you have the 3200, and I think there's one other. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly which one it is, but I'm gonna put the link in the bottom in the description so you can go take a look at it on Amazon. I think I got the lower end version because I was just excited to get my rig all set up. I didn't realize I got the 2666 version until I got it in the mail. Enough for me talking about randomness. Let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so here is obviously the front side of the box. It's fairly basic. Again, here's the the version I have, the DDR4 2x8 gig kit for a total of 16, and the 2666 megahertz version, megahertz, yeah, we'll go megahertz. And obviously you can control the speed, the color of the RGB, by using the Corsair's IQ software. If you have their mouse, their keyboard, their mouse pad, their headset holder, you already know what, all about the IQ software, but this just adds to it. And then on the back side, you got your usual information, just shows what's in the box. And then, yeah, that's really basically about it. And then, and the RAM in here, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Nope, you can see what kind of camera I have though. Look at that. There we go. It's a 16 by 18 by 18 by 35 speed, and it's at 1.2 volts. And it's the standard 2666 megahertz. Again, I have it overclocked, or I had them overclocked at 3200. I want to see if maybe I could push it, maybe about 3400. I'd probably have to up the voltage though, but I like the memory so far. So let's just go ahead and open it up. You can do this one-handed here. If I can get it open. There we go. Perfect. All nice and pretty looking. So there they are, still in the plastic case, obviously. A very nice looking RAM, and they're very heavy. I gotta give them that. Let's just go ahead and get it out of the plastic. For memory, I don't know if it's probably the shroud that they use. It's just definitely adds weight to it. And then see if I can get them out without breaking them. Come on, lift up. Nope. Okay, try one more time. Okay, this whole one-handed thing is not working. There we go. All right, cool. So not touching the bottom. See. I know a lot of people will get all skeevy if anybody touches the bottom of the contacts. See, not touching them. And there you go, the Vengeance Pro RGB memory, usual sticker. You got the Corsair label, and then from what I understand, there's 10 RGB lights in the strip here that create the light. Like I said, you can have whatever the IQ software offers. You can have all those colors. You can have it static. You can have it change colors. You can have it pulse. You can have it. You can set the temperature, or not temperature, you can use it as like a temperature gauge for like your GPU, CPU, motherboard, hard drive, what have you. And backside, again, just the same thing as was on the back of what I showed you before. There we go. I'm just showing you what it is, DDR4, 16 gig, 2x8 gig kit, 2666 megahertz. I'm not gonna go over those numbers again. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like in my system. Again, it's very nice RAM, I'll give it that. I think this shroud, metal or plastic? I think it's plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. Okay. So that's really basically about it. There's really not much else to it. It's just RAM. I mean, there's really not much else to it. It lights up and it looks pretty. You also can get the black version of this too. Again, if you look in the description, I'll have the Amazon link, so you can take a look. And like I said, there's multiple different speeds, multiple different kits you can buy. So go ahead and check that out. And if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Hey guys, thanks for watching. See you guys soon.